Anthropic just gave Claude Design a major upgrade, and it is quietly turning Claude into a real design tool. Here is everything new. If you missed it, Claude Design lets you make prototypes, slides, and one-pagers just by talking to Claude. It is powered by Claude Opus 4.7, their most capable vision model. It started as a research preview. Now it is in beta on every paid plan, on both web and desktop. So what is new? The headline feature, it now stays on brand. You can import your design system straight from a GitHub repo, your Figma files, or your codebase. Claude then builds with your real components and checks its own output against your design system before you ever see it. No more off-brand mock-ups. Second, you can now edit directly on the canvas. The redesigned editor adds proper layout controls, so you can drag, resize, and align elements yourself, instead of reprompting for every tiny tweak. It is far steadier for daily work. Third, and this is big for developers, Claude Design and Claude Code now work together, in both directions. Hand a finished design off to Claude Code to build, or start in Claude Code and sync your design project straight from the terminal. And it connects to more of your tools. You can export your work to PDF and PowerPoint, and now also to HTML and ZIP, or push it onto other apps you already use. There is a refreshed dashboard, new templates, and around 45 new skills to push it further. It is not perfect. The biggest complaint has always been the token limit, which can run out without warning. This update improves it, but does not fully fix it. And here is the twist. Not everyone is impressed. The open source crowd points out that tools like Open Design already shipped this same direction over a month ago, with no Claude Pro required. Bring your own agent, or route to the best models yourself. Their argument? AI design should be open by default. Either way, the direction is clear. Design is becoming a conversation. You describe what you want, the AI builds it on your brand, and you refine it on the canvas. With Claude Fable 5 and GPT's 5.6 around the corner, this space is about to move fast. Want to try it? Claude Design is in beta now, on all paid plans, web and desktop. Follow for more on the AI design frontier.